Hey people, hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that why is it important to do a YouTube course before starting a YouTube channel. Like, I will tell you my personal story or my personal experience. Like, I wanted to start YouTube a long time back, and then I have procrastinated for like 2 years before starting on this channel. And you know what is the reason behind this procrastination? The reason is that I was clueless about how to post on YouTube, and I was actually scared that after doing so much amount of work, if I don't get the results, then what happens? If I don't get to see the results, then what will I do? Will I have to shift to another niche? Will I have to do some more work? And basically, before doing a course, I personally myself have done a lot of courses on YouTube, and the most trendy ones, and I will also give some best YouTube courses, free YouTube courses in my description. No, this is not a sponsored video, this is a random video. This is just a video that I thought that I need to share with you all to make you all earn through YouTube. So you just need to understand that sometimes paid is not what works and free content works. Like, till the time you work, anything works. So you just have to work yourself, and no matter whether you go for the resources that are paid or free, everything has value. And you can obviously switch to the paid ones whenever you are starting earning through YouTube, and hope this happens soon. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to tell you that before doing a course, I was absolutely clueless that how will I just survive this channel, how will I survive myself through this channel, and what are the opportunities that are there if I start a YouTube channel. Basically, I thought that YouTube is a lot of work. I actually thought that, because actually sometimes YouTube is a lot of work. Like, you have to, if you are doing script videos, then you have to write script. If you are doing random videos, then you have to like, be ready and look presentable, and after that you need to have a perfect background. Not a perfect, like, you can just look at my background, it's just a basic background. So it's just behind my almiras, and just before you, this is Selvan Kaur that is presenting to you this video after a lot of guts. Okay, so yeah, what I was telling is that before doing any course, I was just completely clueless, and I couldn't understand that how will I make this channel actually grow. But after doing the courses, my mind just exploded with the ideas and the techniques that are actually available, that can actually help you scale your business, your YouTube business. Yes, YouTube is a business. You can scale it, you can earn a lot through it. Like, you cannot earn as much through a traditional business, through a traditional very nice business, like you can earn from YouTube itself. YouTube is a very good source of income. Like, you need to have a YouTube channel. I don't know why people are just procrastinating on having a YouTube channel. Basically, I also used to do this, but you need to have a YouTube channel as soon as possible, because you cannot understand the immense amount of growth YouTube has gone just after the lockdown. Like, in 2020, after 2020, YouTube has grown immensely. And let me tell you, by 2023, there will be a lot of people that will be posting on YouTube. So it is very important for you to just start posting on YouTube as soon as possible. Like, you need to understand a niche, whether your niche is beauty, whether your niche is fashion, whether your niche is whatever you find interesting. You just need to have a YouTube channel on it. Like, if you're interested, of course, if you're interested, then please go and start your YouTube channel. And before starting your YouTube channel, I would just like to say that don't invest so much of time learning on YouTube. Like, don't invest 6 months, 3 months. No, you just need to invest 1 week or 2 weeks, depending upon your timeline. You just need to do courses for that amount of period, and you will be ready to launch your YouTube channel. And I am so damn sure that you will actually grow this channel immensely after doing the courses that I have linked below, because these are the courses that actually I have done before starting my YouTube channel, and they are just insane. Let me tell you again, this is not a sponsored video. This is the actual experience of a girl who procrastinated 2 years before starting the YouTube channel, who didn't had the amount of knowledge that is important for starting the YouTube channel. But after doing some courses, she was just exploded with the amount of ideas, and she wanted to start a YouTube channel as soon as possible. So here she is starting the YouTube channel. So let me make this very simple and not dramatic. You just need to have a channel in 2023, guys. It's very important. It's very important to have a YouTube channel. It will not only give you fame, it will not only give you money, but it will give you the luxury life you have ever dreamt of. YouTube is a must for any creator. Like if I would suggest that I prefer YouTube more rather than any other social media platforms, just like Instagram and stuff. Because the thing is that you can outsource long videos format. You can outsource the content from YouTube to other formats, to other social media platforms as well. So you can do that, and you just need to have your primary focus on YouTube, because that is what important. And you just need to have a channel. Like what you need to do after just watching this video, promise yourself that you will create a channel and do the courses that I have linked below. It's just a single course that you need to do, and it's just a 12 hours. I think it's just a course for 12 hours. You just need to do it. I finished personally, if I would say, I finished this course in 10 days, and then I just kept on making content during that particular period of time, so that after that 10 days I can I am just truly ready to just post my first video out. So yeah, that was my story. And yeah, that is actually very important. Like, I don't know when are you watching this video, but it is very important to have a YouTube channel now. As if you want to be an influencer, you want to be a creator, it is very important for you to have a YouTube channel in order to build your authority in the market, in order to stand out from the other competitors who are just on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, if TikTok is valid in a country, because it is not valid in India. Yeah. So yeah, that was for today's video. And yeah, you need to have a YouTube channel in 2023 or by the end of 2022. Like, see me, I made this channel like, I don't know when are you watching this, but let me tell you, I decided to make this channel by the end of October 2022. So if you're watching right now, you just need to have a channel, and you just need to be consistent on it. Just post, and do smart work. Follow some strategies that are told in the courses. Do courses and upload videos side by side, and your growth will be immense. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you. You will get the results that you were going to get after 2 years, and you will get that results in just 2 months if you just do smart work and do the courses and work strategically. Okay, so just do smart work, work strategically, and you will achieve the life you have always dreamt of. Okay, so guys, make sure to please subscribe to my channel, because it takes a lot of effort to just make this video for you all. And basically, you all know by now that how much I invest into learning while doing YouTube, and how much time it takes for me to shoot these videos, to think about the videos, to edit the videos. And so yeah, your support is a must, and I promise you to deliver such kind of amazing content on my channel. So please subscribe. I can guarantee you that that subscribe hit on that button, that hit on that button will never go waste, and I can guarantee you that I'll make sure that you always receive some immense amount of knowledge if you just subscribe to the channel. And please share this video, comment down below, comment down with comment down with yes to 2023 if you are going to start a YouTube channel. That will make me aware about how many people I am getting in competition with, because you are my competition. You may be the competition of some big influencers that are there right now in the industry, because hard work always pays off. So like to the video, and yeah, we'll see you next time with amazing amount of content, with amazing piece of content. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye. This is Arvind Kaur signing off.